Rudolph had a problem, and the sleigh broke down, and so I had to get one of the elves to come down here on another sleigh and bring the motorcycle down, and that was our only way to get in. But the sleigh will be fixed, and Rudolph will be up and around by Christmas Eve, so everything's going to be great. Well, what do you think of the motorcycle? How about a hug? All right. Oh, thank you. I'll take all the hugs I can.
Come on.
All right. Hi. Oh, my goodness. More hugs. I love being back in Rock Hill for ChristmasVille. This is something every year that I look forward to. This is one of my favorite places.